Rentec Direct is a cloud-based property management solution aimed at landlords and small to medium-sized property managers. It offers tools for rent collection, tenant and leasing tracking, maintenance requests, and basic accounting. One of its strongest advantages is its intuitive interface, which makes it easy to adopt quickly. The platform is competitively priced and offers great value. Customer support is often praised for its responsiveness. Tenants and owners portal also is improved as it has communication and transparency tools. However, Rentec Direct lacks advanced reporting and deep accounting features. Customization options are also limited on the platform, and mobile functionality is not as robust as some other competitors. Larger portfolios may also outgrow the platform and may need to find another alternative. Rent Direct is ideal though for core management needs. It works well for landlords who want simplicity without the high cost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.